Hello, nice to meet you. This is Alan from Glamington Tiny House. How are you doing? Now I'm just next to our most good product, A70. And it's a kind of very popular, and I will do an introduction of it. First, the total area of this product is around 38 square meters. The total length is for 11.5. The height and the width are both 3.3 meters. And how it looks like, what's the function though? I can take it inside of it so that you will know. Now we just move inside for our A70. As you see, there are many spaces. And on our left side, it will be washing basin and toilet and bathroom. We do the wet and dry separated. And this part is some open spaces. You can treat it as a living room and put a kitchen, of course, inside of here. And on the other side of the capsule houses, we put, an AC system inside of it, and you can just make it into a bedroom. Besides the wardrobe, it just looks like a real house.